Wondering how to tackle the common hosting challenges that come with it? Let's dive into understanding the essentials and solutions for Magento 2.4 hosting. First, let's understand server requirements for Magento 2.4 hosting. Magento 2.4 requires a Linux operating system and at least 2 GB of RAM. It supports PHP 7.3 and above for better performance and security. The right setup helps in managing your store efficiently. Next, let's look at some of the common hosting challenges. 1. Improve slow load times by using caching technologies like Redis and Varnish. 2. Secure your site with SSL certificates and firewalls. Conduct regular security audits. 3. Support your growing store with cloud hosting to manage increased traffic efficiently. Now, let's look at optimal hosting solutions for the right hosting environment. Whether it's cloud, dedicated, or shared hosting, each has its benefits depending on your business size and traffic. Keep your server settings updated and aligned with Magento's requirements. This includes updating PHP versions and installing required extensions. Implement SSL certificates and conduct regular updates to defend against cyber threats. Implement load balancing to distribute traffic evenly across servers. Here's how MGT-Commerce provides solutions for Magento 2.4. MGT-Commerce provides tailored hosting solutions that enhance performance, security, and scalability. They offer expert support and automatic scaling based on traffic needs. By addressing these hosting challenges and implementing the right strategies, you can ensure that your Magento 2.4 store runs smoothly, remains secure, and scales efficiently as your business grows. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more insights, and share this video to help others optimize their Magento 2.4 hosting. See you next time.